It's 2 a.m. Your phone glows in the dark. You're staring at a message you sent hours ago. Delivered, it says. Nothing else. The room is quiet. Too quiet. Your thumb hovers over the keyboard. Should you send another? Did you say something wrong? Was it too much? Too little? The silence feels louder than words. It's heavy, like a weight pressing on your chest. You start to spiral. What if they're mad? What if they don't care? What if you're just invisible? You're not alone. That sinking feeling, it's familiar. It's human. We've all been there, staring at a screen, waiting for a reply that never comes, wondering what we did wrong. But here's the thing, silence isn't rejection. It's information. It tells you something, not about your worth, not about what you said, but about what you can control. Stoicism teaches us this. You can't force a reply. You can't make someone care, but you can choose how you respond. You can choose to stop, to breathe, to let the silence be. This isn't about tricks. It's not about winning them over. It's about finding clarity, about stepping back, about choosing you. If this sounds like you, if you've ever felt that weight, drop a word below, not for likes, not for fame, just to help this find someone else, someone who needs a pause. Today, we're diving into 6 ways to face silence, not to chase attention, not to beg for replies, but to stand steady, to reclaim your calm, to live lighter. Each step is simple. Each step is grounded. Each step is a reminder. Your worth doesn't depend on their words. Your presence is enough. Ready to stop chasing? Ready to find peace in the quiet? Let's begin. The weight of silence. You sent a text, a friend, weekend plans. It felt light, easy. Pas. No reply. Your mind starts to hum. Should you double text? Hey, you there? Maybe they're busy. Maybe they forgot. Or maybe they just don't care. That urge to fix it. It's strong. It pulls at you, like a current dragging you under. You want to fill the silence, to make it right. But stop. Breathe. What if you didn't? What if you let the silence sit? Stoicism tells us, you only control what's in your hands. Your thoughts. Your actions. Not their phone. Not their reply. Marcus Aurelius said it best. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Oh, their silence? It's outside. Your reaction? That's yours. When you chase, you lose something. Not their attention, not their respect. You lose yourself. One message at a time. Imagine this. You send that text. No reply comes. You don't flinch. You don't spiral. You set the phone down. You move on. What happens then? The silence becomes a mirror. It shows you who they are. It shows you who you are. When you don't chase, you're not weak. You're not giving up. You're choosing strength. The strength to say, I'm enough. Think about it. If someone ignores you, are they worth your energy? If their attention fades so easily, is it worth fighting for? Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. It tells you where to place your time, your care, your presence. Here's a scene. You text a friend. Want to grab coffee Sunday? Or stick by? Nothing. Your instinct screams. Send another. Clarify. Explain. But you pause. You breathe. You let it be. You go for a walk. You read a page. You live your day. That's the weight of silence. It's not passive. It's active. It's a choice. And here's what happens. They notice. Not right away, maybe, but they feel it. The absence of your chase. The void of your effort. People don't value what's always there. They value what they might lose. Your silence says, I'm not guaranteed. But this isn't about them. It's about you. Stoicism isn't a game to win. It's a path to peace. When you stop pouring energy into silence, you save it for yourself. You stop leaking. You stop emptying. Picture a cracked vase. You keep filling it with water. It keeps spilling out, no matter how much you pour. It's never enough. Now imagine, you stop pouring. You set the vase down. You walk away. That's what silence does. It protects what's yours. But what if they don't notice? What if they never reply? That's okay. That's clarity. Their silence is their answer. And you're free to move on. Stoicism teaches us, accept what you can't control. You can't make them see you, but you can see yourself. Here's a question. What feels heavier? Chasing someone who doesn't reply, or standing still in your own worth? The answer is clear. Chasing drains you. Silence frees you. Try this today. Next time someone ignores you, resist the urge to fix it. Don't text again. Don't explain. Let the silence speak. It's not easy. That pull to react, it's strong. But every time you choose silence, you choose you. And that choice, it builds something. Not in them, in you. A quiet strength. A steady core. Silence isn't weakness. It's present. It's a reminder. You don't need their words to stand tall. What if their silence is a gift? What if it shows you where to place your energy next? Ponder that. Let it sit. The single spark. You sent a message. A coworker. A project idea. It felt sharp. Thoughtful. No reply. Your mind kicks in. Maybe it wasn't clear. Maybe you should explain more. Send another paragraph. Make it perfect. But stop. Why pour more words? Into someone who's not listening? Stoicism teaches us. Act with purpose, not emotion. One clear word is stronger than a page of need. Here's where you shift. Instead of chasing, you spark. A single small spark. Not a flood,